Next problem, if u equals tan inverse x cube plus y cube whole divided by x minus y, show that first one, x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y equals sin 2u. Second one, x square into u suffix xx plus 2xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy equals sin 4u minus sin 2u. So here, or you have to prove this one as 1 minus 4 sin square u into sin 2u, or 4 cos square u minus 3 into sin 2u. Remember this one. Okay. So solution. Here, so first I will consider here first one. So we have to prove x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y is equal to sin 2u. So what is they given? Let u equals tan inverse x cube plus y cube whole divided by x minus y. So here by data they given. So now here you can't find out the homogeneous degree first. So you have to find out the degree. So you can't find out directly. So you have to take this one to left hand side. So what do you get? Tan u equals x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y. So this can here tan u equals, here I will multiply, what do you get? Lambda cube, what do you get? X cube plus lambda cube y cube whole divided by lambda x minus lambda y. So this can be written as lambda cube if you take it, x cube plus y cube, and if you take it lambda outside you will get x minus y, and here these two get cancelled. So what do you get here? Lambda square into this whole part can be written as u. So this is tan u. So what I get here? N is 2. So therefore here tan u, whatever this here, you have to write that one only. Tan u is homogeneous of degree 2. Now we will apply. Now you will apply Euler's formula. So applying Euler's theorem, for the function tan u, we have what do you get here? X into what do you get? Dou u by dou x. Here instead of u, what is it there? It is tan u, right? So you have to take here tan u plus y into what do you get? Dou of tan u divided by dou y. equals n into, instead of u, what do you get? You will get tan u. So here, what is the formula? Formula is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equals n into u. Instead of u, you have tan u here. So I am writing here. In place of u, I am writing tan u. That's all. So now here, if you differentiate, what do you get? X into, if you differentiate tan u, so you will get secant square u into, differentiation of u is, what do you get? Dou u by dou x plus, now if you differentiate here y into, if you differentiate, what do you get? You will get again secant square u into, if you differentiate u, what do you get? Dou u by dou y equals, here what is n value? N value is 2, right? So it is 2 into tan u. 2 into tan u. So what do you get here? I am taking here secant square common, secant square u. So what do you get? X into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equals 2 into tan u you will get. So this can be written as x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equals 2 into tan u divided by secant u. So here 1 over secant square u, sorry, this is secant square u. So x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equals 2 into 1 over secant can be written as cos square u into tan u can be written as sin u divided by cos u. 1 get cancelled here, 1 cos get cancelled. So you will get x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equals 2 into cos u into sin u you will get. So x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equals, this can be written as, here this can be written as sin 2u. This can be written as sin 2u. So here you got the first result. So check it here. What is the first result? X into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y is equal to sin 2u, right? So this can be written as x into dou u by dou x can be written as u suffix x plus y into dou u by dou y can be written as u suffix y is equal to sin 2u. This is the required solution. So I called this one as equation star. Now here to prove second one. So here I'll consider the equation star here. So we have, I'll consider equation star. What is x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y is equal to sin 2u. Now here I called this one as equation 1. Now differentiate with respect to x in equation 1. So what do you get here? If you differentiate this one, what do you get? You have to apply the product rule. So you have to apply product rule means x into, if you differentiate u suffix x, you will get u suffix xx plus, if you differentiate x, you will get 1 into u suffix x plus y is constant. When you differentiating with respect to x, treat y as constant. So this becomes y, and here this becomes u suffix xy. Dou u by dou idu dou u by a partial derivative agogutte. So equals, what do you get here? Sin 2u. So if you differentiate, you will get, what do you get? U is a function of x also. So you will get, if you differentiate sin, you will get cos 2u into, if you differentiate 2u, you will get 2. If you differentiate u, you will get u suffix x. Here differentiating with respect to x you are doing. Okay, so you'll get u suffix x. Now here above equation multiply by x, because we want u suffix x into x square, so multiply with x square here, x here, so you will get x square. So that purpose I am multiplying with respect to x. So if you multiply with respect to x, you will get here x square into here x square into here, it becomes x square, and here u suffix xx plus here x into u suffix x plus here xy into u suffix xy equals 2 cos 2u into what do you get here, x into u suffix x into u suffix x. Now here differentiate with respect to y in equation 1. So what do you get here? If you differentiate here, this is constant, this term is constant, so no problem, but here you have to get partial derivative, and here you have to apply product rule. So when you differentiating with respect to y, treat x as constant. So what do you get here? So x into u suffix yx you will get, so plus you have to apply product rule, so y into this becomes u suffix yy plus here what do you get, if you differentiate with respect to y you will get 1, and here into keep this one as it is, u suffix y. So if you differentiate sin u, will get cos 2u into, if you differentiate to u, you will get 2 into, if you differentiate u, you will get u suffix y. Now multiply by y here, because you want y square, u suffix yy you want y square, so but here u suffix yy or get y is there, so I'll multiply with y here. So if you multiply with y above equation, we get here what do you get, yx into u suffix yx plus y square into u suffix yy plus y into u suffix y equals 2 into cos 2u into y into u suffix y. Now here we know that u suffix xy equals u suffix yx, right? Wherever u suffix xy is there, you can write u suffix yx, or wherever u suffix yx is there, you can write u suffix xy. But here in result, what you want here, we want u suffix xy. So wherever u suffix yx is there, you can write u suffix xy. So here above equations, so what do you get here? We get here x square, this one, into u suffix xx, here u suffix xx, and here what do you get here, yx is there, sorry, here I called this one as equation 2, and here I am writing this one as, here I am substituting u suffix yx can be written as xy here. So what do you get, xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy plus y into u suffix y equals 2 into cos 2u into y into u suffix y. So here I called this one as equation 3. Add equation 2 and 3. So what do you get here? If you add equation 2 and 3, so what do you get, x square into u suffix xx plus here I will take this one y square into u suffix yy plus here x into u suffix x plus y into, here I will take this one, y into u suffix y plus here what do you get, xy into u suffix xy plus here xy into u suffix xy equals what do you get here, 2 cos 2u into x into u suffix x plus 2 cos 2u into y suffix x. So this can be written as here x square into u suffix xx plus y square into u suffix yy plus here I write here x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y one side here equals plus this can be written as here these two are the same, so this can be written 2 times of xy into u suffix xy. So here equals what do you get, this I will take a common, 2 cos u is common. If I take 2 cos u common, what do you get, x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y. So we know that here we know that here x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y equals what do you get, the result here it is sin 2u. So I am substituting that one, sin 2u. So if I take that one, what do you get, so what do you get here, x square u suffix xx plus 2 times of, I am writing here 2 times of xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy plus here this can be written here, this can be written as 2 sin 2u, sorry, what do you get that one, sin 2u, that's all, only sin 2u, and here equals what do you get, 2 cos 2u into sin 2u, you can write this one. So what do you get next here, x square into u suffix xx and plus 2 times of xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy equals 2 cos 2u into sin 2u minus sin 2u. So this can be written as x square u suffix xx plus 2 into xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy equals here this whole term can be written as, here we know that sin theta is equal to what you get, sin 2 times of sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, right? So here instead of theta what you get here, 2 theta is there, so this becomes here what you get, sin 4u, you will get sin 4u minus sin 2u. So this is the required solution. So look at here, you got this solution, but now you have to prove this one now here, right? So note, so here I am taking only RHS here, so I am taking here, I am taking this one, what do you get here, 2 cos 2u, I am taking this result, okay? So 2 cos 2u into sin 2u minus sin 2u, right? So sin 2u is common, right? So take it sin 2u common. So if I take sin 2u common, here I am only concentrate on RHS. LHS already is there, only I am concentrating about RHS. So what do you get, 2 cos 2u minus 1. So what do you get here now? Sin 2u into 2 cos 2u minus 1 can be written as here. You'll get two ways. One is sin 2u into what you get here, 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square u. Here 2 sin square u minus 1 or you can write sin 2u, can here I'll take common, so 2 into what you get, 2 cos square u minus 1 you can write this part. So this whole part can be written as sin 2u into here 1 minus 4 here. If you multiply, what do you get? 1 minus 4 sin square u. If you simplify, you will get this one. Or if you simplify this one, what do you get? Sin 2u into 4 cos square u minus 3. So what do you want here? Look at here, the required result. What do you want here? 1 minus 4 sin square u into sin 2u. So we will get this one. And here 4 cos square u minus 3 into sin 2u. So sin 2u into 4 cos square u minus 3, you got these results. So therefore you can write this one as here x square into u suffix xx plus 2xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy equals sin 2u into 4 cos square u minus 3, and here x square u suffix xx plus 2xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy equals sin 2u into 1 minus 4 sin square u. So these are the results. So homework problem: if u equals sin inverse x square root y plus y square root x whole divided by 3x square minus 4y square, show that first one, 2 times of x into u suffix x plus y into u suffix y equals tan u. Second one, here x square into u suffix xx plus 2 times of xy into u suffix xy plus y square into u suffix yy equals minus sin u into cos 2u whole divided by 4 cos cube u. So take it this one as homework. So look at here, if you get very difficult to find out the degree, means one method is there. Wherever here sin or logarithmic log, if you get log or ಬರಲಿ sin or ಬರಲಿ cos ಏನಾರು trigonometric function ಬರಲಿ logarithmic ಬರಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ what you get, sin u equals x square root y plus y square root x, right, whole divided by 3 x square minus 4y square. So you are replacing x is replacing x lambda, y is replacing y lambda, right? So here is x is there. So what do you get? Lambda square, and here lambda to the power of 1 by 2 can be right divided by here y x illu kuda degree 2 ide, illu kuda degree 2 ide, so you can write lambda square, right? So what do you get? This becomes, what do you get? 5 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 5 by 2 minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2 LCM ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 minus 4 will get. ಸೊ what do you get? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 2. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. Okay, so you will get lambda to the power of n. So homogeneous of degree n value is 1 by 2. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಬರೀದಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೂ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೋಮೋಜಿನಿಯಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಈಗ tan u is an homogeneous of degree 2 ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. You have to write this one. If you skip this step also, no problem, this step. Okay, so you have to write this. This is very important. Tan u is an homogeneous of degree 2, and first step is very important. Remember that one.